Welcome to the Reach Admin training video, where you'll learn all the ways you can interact with our flexible and powerful backend administration system for your Reach payments integration. After this short tutorial, you'll be ready to manage your systems and provide a seamless and successful cross-border experience for your customers. Reach Admin is accessed via admin.withreach.com with unique login credentials for each user. Please contact our client services support team if you do not currently have your username and password credentials. The admin dashboard offers at-a-glance information about the activities related to your account. It includes a wide range of near real-time charts so you can easily see how your business is performing. Drop-downs can be used to edit search parameters such as date range, currency, country, and more. The Transaction tab offers a snapshot of transaction activity broken into easy-to-navigate sections that provide you with additional information relating to recent transactions. At a quick glance, you can review pertinent information about your transaction results and easily identify outliers. Most merchants will typically use the Search section to review transactions and confirm their status or generate a refund. This information is a useful timeline that can be organized at a granular level. The Search section defaults to the Transaction Search, where you can search for a specific transaction when requiring more details. Any combination of criteria, such as date ranges, transaction status, payment method used, and more, can be used to narrow your search results. Click the Go button to repopulate search results each time. You can use a single asterisk for wildcard search capability in any search field. For more details on a specific transaction, click within the line of the transaction to access the Payment Details window, which includes the following information related to that transaction. Summary. View many details about the transaction, including card details, foreign exchange rate of the specified transaction, and more. The Reversal Info area shows if there are any refunds or chargebacks related to the transaction. Fraud Analysis shows details relating to fraud. However, because Reach offers customized fraud solutions to each specific merchant, the information here can vary. And in the cases where Reach is employing full fraud solutions, the information here will only be for a merchant's reference. Review. Any details related to a fraud review would be shown here. Related. Here you can reference previous history for related transactions, including by email address or IP. Refunds. Merchants can review previous refund information or process a refund for a transaction here. To generate a refund, click the plus icon in the top right corner to begin the refund, which will be processed to the payment method on file. Enter the required refund information and any applicable notes. It is important for you to ensure this information is matching your other systems, including noting full or partial refunds, correct currency, referencing related ticket numbers, and other details specific to your business operations. Click Submit Refund and you'll receive a success message stating that the refund has been successfully submitted. Merchants have a maximum of 180 days to complete a refund. If a refund is required beyond 180 days, please contact client services at withreach.com. Please note that PayPal has a hard limit and cannot be refunded beyond 180 days. Processing times for refunds can vary across different banks and payment methods. Timeline. The timeline of events throughout the transaction. Notes. Notes can be left for individual transactions. This can help accounting and customer service teams. Through the Search section, you can export a highly customizable CSV file that is based on your search query by using the Export button in the top right corner. Refunds and Chargeback Search. In the drop-down at the top of the search page, you can choose Refunds or Chargeback for a view specific to those transactions. The Reports page is where you will find your settlement reports. These will populate in CSV format automatically when a statement has been deposited. A monthly report is automatically generated on the 4th of each month. You can reorder the columns based on statement type and date, and use the search filter if you're searching for something specific. Any transactions flagged as fraud or chargeback will be populated on this page. Because Reach offers customized fraud solutions to each specific merchant, the information here is mostly for a merchant's reference. If individual information is required, we'd recommend you contact Reach directly. The Profile section displays quick references to information such as what payment methods are enabled for a merchant ID number, refund timelines, and more. The Settings page is used by a merchant to see who has been set up with user permissions to access their Reach admin account. To invite a new user, enter the email addresses into the Invite New Users text box and click the Invite Users button. Review the confirmation message to ensure the invitation was successful. The user will receive an email with steps to follow to create an account. Once the invited user has created their account, the user who sent their invite request will receive an email to let them know that their invitation has been accepted and that their account was successfully created. If you want to remove a user from your account, please contact us at clientservices@withreach.com with such a request, including the email address of the user you want to remove. The Help section features links to Reach developer documentation and the contact information for our Reach support team. Please direct customers who require assistance with their orders to support@withreach.com. Thank you for following along with our Reach admin tutorial video. We hope you now feel even more confident using this powerful tool. Know that you can always contact our client services team directly with any questions you may have. clientservices@withreach.com. Reach offers the best solutions for cross-border e-commerce and strives to make it as easy as possible for merchants to manage and grow their businesses globally. Learn more today at withreach.com.